Welcome to our channel. I'm Daisy Click. In today's video, we're diving into the world of YouTube success without showing your face. Yes, you heard it right. We'll explore 7 faceless niche channels that are not only thriving but are also a goldmine for creators. So, whether you're camera shy or simply prefer to stay behind the scenes, this video is for you. For each faceless niche, Smart AI affiliate will give stars for 3 metrics. Ease creation, competition and earning power to let you know how easily the channel can be created. The more stars mean easier to create the channel videos. How is the competition? Very low, low, medium, high, very high. And how is the earning power? The more stars mean you can earn much more. Before diving in, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Smart AI Affiliate for more useful tips on making money with AI technology and affiliate marketing. Before we jump into our list, let's talk about YouTube monetization. YouTube allows creators to earn money from their content through ads, memberships, super chats, and more. But the heart of earning lies in understanding CPM and RPM. CPM, or cost per mil, refers to the cost advertisers pay per 1,000 ad impressions on your videos. Meanwhile, RPM, or revenue per mil, represents the total revenue you earn per 1,000 views, after YouTube's takes 45%. These metrics are crucial because they help you understand your channel's earning potential. Do you think that the more views you get, the more money you can earn? The answer is wrong. If there are no people who watch ad, no matter how popular your video is, you still get no payment. How about in the case your video only has a few thousand views per day? Can you earn much? The answer is yes. Because if your video is inside the profitable niche, then more and more advertisers are willing to pay for it. So if you want to grow your YouTube channels, you need to better understand the CPM and RPM for different niches. Stay tuned with Smart AI Affiliate, you will learn more about these kinds of knowledge. Now, let's dive into the 7 faceless niches that can skyrocket your YouTube channel. First up, self-improvement. Channels in this niche offer tips on personal growth, productivity, and motivation. For example, Gohar Khan has 3.6 million subscribers and 480 videos sharing daily tips on improving your studying life and life hack. It is estimated RPM of $3 to $7 and CPM of $3 to $12. The channel creation time is around 10.5 years. The videos of this channel are made with funny and cute characters and teach viewers how to improve and change their life. According to Social Blade, the average number of daily views of Gohar Khan lies between 3 to 3.5 million and daily earnings is around 10K to 15K. Smart AI affiliate comments, ease creation, 5 stars, competition, medium, earning power, 5 stars. Next, psychology facts. Psych2Go fascinates over 11 million subscribers and 2,900 videos with intriguing psychological insights. It is estimated RPM of $3 to $7 and CPM of $2 to $10. The channel creation time is around 9.5 years. Most videos on this channel are created with cute characters as well as stories and scenarios in order to illustrate difficult psychological facts in more easy, understandable way. According to Social Blade, the average number of daily views of a Psych2Go lies between 500K to 550K and daily earnings is around 2K to 2.5K. Smart AI affiliate comments, ease creation, 3 stars, competition, medium, earning power, 5 stars. In health and wellness, Bestie Health stands out with over 4.6 million subscribers and 3,200 videos offering advice on healthy living and wellness tips. The estimated CPM varies depending on what sub-niches you are involved in. Typically, CPM of this niche ranges $5 to $50 and boasts an RPM of $4 to $10. The channel creation time is 7 years. Channel videos are created by visualizing the relationship between healthy food and body organs. It is easier for viewers to understand. According to Social Blade, the average number of daily views of a Bestie Health lies between 80K to 85K and daily earnings is around 300 to 350. Other than YouTube, creators can also promote their health and wellness products via affiliate network such as ClickBank, ShareASale, or other affiliate networks. We will share and talk more about affiliate marketing in future videos. Smart AI affiliate comments, ease creation, 4 stars, competition, high, earning power, 5 stars. For history buffs, Epic History TV captivates nearly 2.2 million history enthusiasts with detailed documentaries with a CPM around $4 to $9. They have 167 videos to educate viewers with beautiful historical figures and facts. Roughly the estimated RPM for history niche is around $10 to $15. The channel creation time is 9 years. It is another high-pay niche that most people ignored. According to Social Blade, the average number of daily views of Epic History TV lies between 200K to 250K and daily earnings is around 600 to 1,000. Opportunities are everywhere, it depends on whether we can catch it. We can double or even triple the revenue for historical niche. But it is not what we focus on in today's video. Stay tuned and you will learn more. Smart AI affiliate comments, ease creation, 4 stars, competition, very low, earning power, 5 stars. Book summaries, like the book Leo, provide insights from best-selling books to over 510K subscribers with 345 videos at the time of recording. It is estimated of CPM around $3 to $7 and RPM of $2 to $5. The channel creation time is 9.5 years. It is another potential niche that most people ignore. Thanks to AI technology, nowadays we can create profitable faceless book summaries channel. We will step by step showing you how to start your book review or summaries channel by leveraging AI technologies in future videos. According to Social Blade, the average number of daily views of the book Leo lies between 40K to 50K and daily earnings is around 150 to 200. Once again, we can increase our revenue by introducing affiliate marketing. You will feel excited learning how to leverage affiliate marketing into your earning money online strategies. Smart AI affiliate comments, ease creation, 4 stars, competition, low, earning power, 4 stars. Pushkar Raj Thakur, business coach, shares inspiring success stories from the business world to its 11.5 million subscribers with over 1,400 videos. It is estimated CPM of $6 to $12 and RPM of $3 to $7. The channel creation time is 12 years. CPM of this kind of niche can be higher by $20 to $100. As more advertisers are likely to invest money in channels of this niche. If you have knowledge about the business world, there are many possibilities to earn money in this niche. According to Social Blade, the average number of daily views of Pushkar Raj Thakur, business coach, lies between 1.05 to 1.1 million and daily earnings is around 4K to 4.5K. This number is amazing, but don't forget it is only YouTube itself, not counting other kinds of revenue source. Smart AI affiliate comments, ease creation, 5 stars, competition, medium, earning power, 5 stars. Lastly, channels like Matt Wolf delve into future AI technologies and the digital marketing, engaging over 550K subscribers with around 220 videos. It is an estimated CPM of $2 to $10 and RPM of $3 to $6. The channel creation time is around 15 years. There are many kinds of AI technologies that appear almost every day. This niche is evergreen and has many materials to create YouTube channels. Not only AI technologies itself, but also other industries will leverage AI technologies into their operation and become more and more important. Opportunities are always there. According to Social Blade, the average number of daily views of Matt Wolf lies between 70K to 75K and daily earnings is around 250 to 300. Smart AI affiliate comments, ease creation, 5 stars, competition, medium, earning power, 5 stars. As AI technology is getting more popular and important not only in our daily life, but also in working and entertainment. No matter what reasons you use AI technology, I think it is a great chance to learn in this era. AI tools can do what you can imagine, and they evolve very fast. So Smart AI affiliate now picks up some common AI usages you need to know. They are scripting, video editing, finding footage, voiceover, adding subtitles, generating final video. AI can help us to generate scripting without doing our own. One common way to do it is by ChatGPT. But we can use other similar AI tools to achieve the same, such as Google Bard and Microsoft Copilot. At this moment, you may not know what they are. But don't worry. For details, we will demonstrate by integrating different kinds of AI tools to do automation and affiliate marketing. Stay tuned with Smart AI Affiliate. You can learn more about AI and affiliate marketing stuff. These faceless niches not only offer a wealth of knowledge and entertainment, but also represent a lucrative opportunity for creators. By focusing on quality content and consistent uploads, you can build a successful YouTube channel in any of these niches. According to statistics, most profitable YouTube channels come from CPM of lower values. That means if your channel's quality is good, no matter what CPM of your niche is, you still can earn money. Content quality and consistency are important when it comes to content creation. We will talk about this kind of strategy later. Which of these niches caught your interest? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Your support helps us bring more amazing videos your way. Thank you for watching. I'm Daisy Click. Until next time, keep exploring, keep creating, and never stop learning. See you all next time.